In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. App integrations are essential, especially when it comes to connecting ClickUp to the other tools your team uses every day. It creates a seamless and more efficient workflow. ClickUp offers a variety of applications you can integrate into, and today we will focus on linking your Google Calendar with your ClickUp workspace. To get started, make sure you're logged into the right ClickUp account. This step might seem straightforward, but it's crucial for ensuring that the integration will work with the correct workspace and doesn't inadvertently integrate with a personal account. Carefully confirm that you're signed into the account associated with the projects you want to sync with Google Calendar. Once you've logged in, shift your attention to the array of icons on the left side of your ClickUp dashboard. It's here that you'll find everything you need to manage your tasks effectively. You'll want to locate the More button, which is symbolized by 3 little dots. Clicking on this will reveal an extended menu. Scroll through this menu until you stumble upon the Integrations option. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This will open up a gateway to enhance your ClickUp experience by linking it with other applications. Upon clicking, you'll be greeted by a list of various applications that you can integrate with ClickUp. This is where the magic happens. On the top of this list, you'll notice a search bar. Type Google Calendar into this search bar. As you type, the list will filter down to display the Google Calendar integration that we're focusing on today. Select Google Calendar from the filtered list. Once selected, you'll be prompted to follow a series of connection instructions. These instructions are designed to ensure that Google Calendar syncs seamlessly with ClickUp, bringing all your plans into one consolidated view. Follow each step closely for a smooth integration process. Next, you'll need to enter your Google Calendar login details. It's important to ensure you're using the correct credentials linked to the calendar you want to integrate. Double-check your username and password before proceeding. Getting this right guarantees that the right events and tasks appear in your ClickUp platform. And just like that, you've successfully integrated your Google Calendar account with ClickUp. With this integration now active, managing your schedule becomes much easier, allowing for more efficiency and synchronization across your projects and timelines. Remember, having all your tasks and events visible in one place can drastically optimize how you and your team manage workloads. Enjoy the streamlined workflow and make the most of your newly integrated tools. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your upcoming projects.